Have you ever been mesmerized with big brown eyes? Do you have a thing with brown, gray, or beige hair? If you answered yes to the two questions, what would happen if I told you you can have both? Introducing the Philippine Tarsier. These species are one of the smallest known primates, no larger than an adult man's hand. It can be found in the islands of Samar, Leyte, Bohol, and Mindanao. It is classified as lower risk, conservation dependent, which means that it could qualify for vulnerable, endangered, or critically endangered within 5 years if the present protection programs are stopped. Let me tell you more about these species with brown eyes and brown, gray, or beige hair, or to be accurate, fur. They live in and around the base of tree trunks and roots such as bamboo. They hunt at night and hide in hollows close to the ground at day. It is also believed that they live in groups. They eat insects such as cockroaches and crickets, but may occasionally be extended with reptiles, birds, and bats. Have you ever heard the sound of a tarsier? Well, they produce a number of different calls. They produce a loud call, which is a loud, piercing note. They also produce a soft, sweet bird-like trill when they meet their opponent. When several tarsiers communicate, they can produce a locust-like chirp, and females produce a special sound to indicate that they are fertile. And since we mentioned females, did you know that they have multiple breast pairs? Just like pigs, dogs, and cats. But in the case of female tarsiers, generally only the pectoral pair is functional, while the others serve as anchoring points for the newborn. Their gestation period lasts for 6 months, and only one young is born at a time. This entails us to take care of this brown-eyed, brown, gray, or beige-furred species even more. You can help by participating in conservation efforts through the Philippine Tarsier Foundation Incorporated, wherein aside from the conservation of their natural forest habitat, efforts are made through ecotourism, environmental awareness, and research.
Created using Powtoon.